Is affiliate marketing dead? You may be surprised to learn that affiliate marketing isn't relatively new. Um, it came about with the onset of the internet, but it's existed in some form or other since the 17th century and evolved over time. And with the onset of the information age, the industry exploded. Amazon was the first to introduce it to the public in 1996, known as an associates program, and has exploded in growth and popularity among merchants and marketers alike. Affiliate marketing has changed marketing's whole definition with its incredible potential. Thousands of affiliate marketers made billions in revenue since its internet roots. However, due to the change in the industry, it's not as easy to make money as it was just merely 10 years ago. And as a result, some have laid affiliate marketing to rest. But as Mark Twain once quipped, the news of my demise has been greatly exaggerated. There is still plenty to be made in the industry, and it's still growing. It's the furnace of affiliate marketing. The product producers still have plenty of heat left. A $12 billion a year industry can't be written off so easily. So if affiliate marketing was gasping for breath and dying, the producers or the sellers wouldn't still be investing so much money into it. The market grew by 4% last year, and it's projected to grow another 15% in the next 2 years, according to Statista.com. So the advent of the internet made it extremely easy to get in an affiliate marketing business, because just a few short notes, pretty much all you had to do was find a product to promote, pay for an ad that led to a website that products the product to sell. So when the customer bought, the affiliate marketer made a commission and the seller made a profit. Sounds easy, right? So it was so easy, the affiliate marketing quickly turned red with blood in the water, red with competition. So the marketer had to stand out in the crowd or find a niche to promote. So, but competition is actually good. It improves quality. It helps the customer and the merchant and the seller. So a lot of affiliate marketers got out and with sour grapes to them. But with the booming industry, the second thing is a lot of charlatans are drawn to that because it's so easy. So they started doing scams and adopting a rich, quick scheme and using dishonest, misleading information or underhanded marketing strategies. But the industry responded with increased regulations, and the algorithms for ads got more difficult on the platforms like Google, and the competitions for keywords that used in the ads skyrocketed. On top of that, Amazon started decreasing the commission they gave out for their business. So, like I said, if the producers are the furnace, the market is the fire, and the customers are the people who get warmth from that fire, but they don't like to get burned. So with the underhanded techniques of a small number of marketers, many customers lost their trust in affiliate marketers. They started to believe that affiliate products are trash. They don't want to waste money for products from affiliate links. But all was not lost. It's just another change in the market, basically. However, that doesn't mean that nobody buys from affiliate links anymore. Every good affiliate marketer still has an excellent following base. All you got to do is build trust, transparency, and be reliable and provide value for your customers. And that's why these people don't hesitate from buying from affiliate links. And the market is still growing at a rapid pace. The reason merchants still use and prefer affiliate marketing, according to statistics, 80% of U.S. brands use affiliate marketing to promote the products. So that's a pretty big industry. That amount is really astonishing, and people have spent over $4 billion a year since 2015, and that growing, it just keeps growing. And I saw that by 2022, there's going to be 8.2 billion. I got that off Statista.com. I'll put it down below. So, yeah, today, affiliate marketing, it's not as straightforward as it was in the past, to be sure. But as in any industry, the business changes evolve over time. And those who are able to adapt it will thrive. And there's more competition for sure, but that doesn't mean the slice of the pie is getting smaller. Since the market continues to expand at a healthy rate, it means the pie is actually growing with it. So It may be more difficult to enter the marketing business today, but you can still do it with a shoestring budget and a couple hours per day. We have to build a trust with our audience through both organic, meaning non-paid traffic, and paid traffic, and just continually building value for the customers. So it's a very lucrative business, and any novice with gumption and a good work ethic can still make 5 figures a month within a year, and there's no sign of this stopping in the future. So if you'd like to learn more about it, how I did it, and I recommend the course and many others who started to make 6-7 figures a row, it's called Entree Institute. All you got to do is just click on the link below here for more information. So until next time, to your success. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and hit the notification icon for more updates in the future. I'll talk to you later. Bye.